What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here and welcome back to another one. Yeah, another Bombshells meet in the same week. They scheduled them the same week. I don't know why this time, but I don't know. More content for me, more content for you. Let's do this thing. There's a lot of muscle cars here. We follow this Corvette that's chopping right now all the way here. I hope you didn't think we were stalking on him. Sorry buddy if you're watching, but we're just here to enjoy the cars as well. So let's do this thing. Alright guys, we got some of the people from last time. We got this Mustang GT, the Z01, the other Z01, and the SS. And then we got a blue C5, I believe. Yes. Next to this crazy C6 that we were following on the way here. This thing was crazy loud. Chopping up at all the red lights. Look at that thing. Hoo-wee. That is the secret sauce right there. We got a cold start over on this Z01. That is how a muscle car should sound. I like that. Whew. We got them, and then we got an impromptu photo shoot going on over here with the waitresses from the Bombshells. That's pretty cool. I guess it's like a win-win for everybody. We get to have a car meet here, and they get to have customers, so that's pretty sick. All right, we got a Mustang GT with a big old turbo. Yes, sirree. That ain't no supercharger there. And we got the Trackhawk next to my boy's GTR. We see him at Town Lake Cars and Coffee Lot, and he always sends it. And then an old school Testarossa. Didn't expect to see this out at a Bombshells meet today. All right, y'all are gonna be impressed with this one. Look, I've been learning. We got a Bel Air with flames painted on it. Next, the old Chevy truck. Next to the Chevy Impala SS. He's Pop Frunk. And we got the old school Camaro SS, baby. 100%, and the Shelby Cobra. We just saw Ford versus Ferrari the other day. Very good movie. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out.
Don't say I've had too much. The room surrounds me, I cannot stay in touch. And I know my mind from my body. Don't tell me it's not so. Oh, say it's so easy. Say I'm not worth it. Oh, take me for granted. I'm not perfect. Show me the better side of the world. Yeah, play me. I tell you, I won't be pushed.
This is sick. It's like a gold Evo with all the little carbon fiber bits. Can't really see because it's so dang dark outside, but there we go. You can see the carbon. I've been told this thing's crazy built. Hopefully he sends it out of here. I think we've seen him at Cars and Coffee a time or two ago. But man, that is nice. What do you think, guys? Should I get one of those in the future? These Camaros sound just so bassy, it's awesome. I like that a lot. And it smells so good. I wish I could make it a 4D video and you could smell this gasoline. That's crazy. Alright guys, there's not really much going on at the show today, so I think we're just going to sit out here and try to get some sends for you guys. How's that sound, Mr. Sinclair?
That sounds wonderful, Mr. Sinclair. What's up guys, Mini Sinclair Photos here with Jordan, and today I'm taking over for the sends while AJ goes and meets some stranger that he met online. So let's get this. We got a nice McLaren rolling in. First nice thing of this part of the vlog. Mini Sinclair Photos and Jordan out here car spotting like kings and queens. Alright guys, so we're gonna go check out the McLaren that just pulled in. Gotta get up my Sinclair Photos on, you know. I got the last name. I gotta take over this mantle someday maybe. Who knows? Maybe AJ sends a little too hard one day. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But let's just go check out this McLaren. It's sick, it's orange, and I don't know that much about cars, so that's all I'm gonna say. Let's check it out. So we got the models from Bombshells, aka the waitresses, taking pics in front of this guy's car. So we'll just have to move around him. This is such a nice McLaren. I wish I was rich because I would definitely own one of these. This interior is so nice. It's nice and orange too, orange and black. Halloween vibes. Spooky season may be over, but the colors still live on throughout the year.
And last but not least, oh my god. They're all sending it.
I don't like it about the maps are like so big.
Oh yeah, you open that thing up. You're still? Is that it? We got a brother. That's what I like to hear. He's got the cool taillights too. I could not choose between those and mine, but I chose to get something a little different. Got that crazy loud Camaro. He was doing flybys like 120 last night. All right, we got our boy See you, bro. And he is gone. That thing is fast. Oh my God. There comes this guy. Last one. Very good, very good. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming in once again. We got Bryce in the building. He's gonna wish y'all good night. Good night to one, good night to all. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.
Watch me dance in the rain. I may be crazy, but this feeling's insane. And I know I'm tripping. I only see black and blue.